Khubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. The dark is here to rule.
As a parent, I know my child needs more space to play and to learn. A school which learns him better and teaches him better, where he finds live models for love, affection and dedication, where he can nurture his individuality and be a future leader. And here's where I stand. Blessings International School, Tirukurakkundram, Chingalpet. For admissions, contact 9688999811 8012553412 73730
Uba VG kenta ubalong muktiar bapau khmat hagajala layathu bakat kum gajingyo jingtep jongu kaladan gajing themu ban pelong ya kajala Meghalaya Tang Kawei ka Lok Sabha Constituency am kumba julong baro shikata kumba ka Meghalaya kadan artili ki Lok Sabha Constituency bakun thup ya ka Shillong bat katura Hakajinga kran bikila pathai khubor haka arpsantrik uyayong arhajar arpulai uba kenta ula kentu yiki MP jong kajala Meghalaya bakin wa jingtep halor kani khnang bakan namlong ka jingdu nong ya kajala Meghalaya
Nasi, kani kesenam aku sah. Ngaladan kerenteng haka panel discussion haka channel jom PCN. Nasi 2024 kalau mendek last election, last Lok Sabha election, namentah ke Shillong seat. Namar katkum ke delimitation kebat kita pengkret election commission of India. Nandala pun confirm kata. Dekat kung kacintip ko jangan sinagi, lesi kandan no Tang Kawei ke Lok Sabha seat na po Meghalaya. Kaya lapoy kita ke stage te kalarang kaya kajing susi pat kajing donong ke bakra. Namar pa inomyo asyo ki lesi ki candidate na po Shillong seat. Kandan no Tang Kawei ke seat na po Meghalaya. Di lesi manu ki balapan job ke election MP Lok Sabha hakani apa usah dasi kalau dia ke kamram jom tahu member of parliament bau le sitong benek yang ini Shillong seat namar ka kom im ka kom reti restore ka custom nia pher na ka jai brio garo khasi jagya nia suto ndai ba khlelang ta ka Lok Sabha ayu Tang Kawei member of parliament po Meghalaya. Kalau kita dangerous president.